Mike Mancini with PPCVideoTraining.com. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of what to find inside our Google Ads dashboard area, where you can see what we have to offer and how we can help you take your Google Ads to the next level. Your dashboard is where you'll find everything. The first thing you'll see is the PPC Profit System. The PPC Profit System is set up for those who have never set up a Google Ads account or who are very new to it. For example, maybe you've set up an account and it never worked. Maybe you've never really done this before. Whatever it might be, whether you understand the technology or not, we walk you through it step by step. Everything from what is PPC, what are you selling, to how to set up call tracking, to how to craft landing pages, so on and so forth. This is where you would go to get your campaign set up to get it up and running. Inside each video training area is broken up into modules. Once you're inside a module, you can keep track of where you've been easily just by clicking the button here, letting the system know that you have completed the module. And as you can see, as you complete them, it checks them off here on the right-hand side. Also, as you're going through the modules, if there is an attachment, whether it be a spreadsheet, a checklist, whatever it might be, each one of those is attached below the corresponding video. Those tools are also available inside our PPC Tools area, so you can find them all in one spot at any time. In our next area, the Google Ads Optimization area, this is where you would go once your campaign is up and running. Perhaps you've already set up a campaign in the past, maybe you've had it running, but you'd like to understand or know what changes you need to make. This is where you would go to do that. This is where it will show you how to find out what's wrong with your campaigns, how to improve them, where to start, what to do on a regular basis to keep those campaigns moving forward. This is the area where the money is really made. Next, we have our PPC Tools area. This is where we have all of our free tools that we have actually built that we use in our PPC ads agency every day. These are tools that save us hours and hours and hours of work when we set up each and every campaign. Also, they help us manage our campaigns and help us figure out kind of where the problems might be. All of these tools are absolutely invaluable to us, and just these tools alone are worth hundreds of dollars. This is our community area. This is our private Facebook group where we can answer any questions that you might have, and you can also ask other members questions about your Google Ads. What's working best? What has changed? What's not working as well as it used to? And you can talk to other like-minded business owners and find out what's working for them. Next, we have our YouTube video area. We make regular training and videos on YouTube all the time, and we actually post them for you here. So you have it all in one spot, because it's not only Google Ads training, it's digital marketing training as well. New and updated, this is an area that keeps you updated to what's happening inside the courses. As technology changes, so does the course. So what we do is we go through it and we make sure that all the videos are current. Once they've been updated, we let you know here so that you can go in and keep up with the new videos as they're added. We have our PPC News section. This is where we help you keep up with the PPC news, and especially regarding Google Ads. We talk about Google Ads changes, what to expect, what's coming up, maybe what they're getting rid of, so on and so forth. And then obviously we have our support area. This is where we will go if you have any problems with payments, if you have any questions for us, if you'd like to talk to us about maybe anything else, whether it's one-on-one strategy sessions, whatever it might be, this is where you would go. Our Google Ads training is one of the most in-depth training systems you will find anywhere. It is constantly being updated as things change, and as we all know, Google changes quite often. And it's not a training course that will literally just be sitting there and in 5 years be obsolete. It will be constantly up to date. We have organized it so you can find everything that you would like to know quickly. Not only that, but the majority of our videos are 5 minutes or less in length, and that is by design. One, because if there's ever something that changes in that video, we want to be able to make that change quickly and have it updated right away. The second reason is we want you to be able to complete each video and get through it quickly. We understand that most people don't have a bunch of extra hours in a day to go through a course, so we break it up into bite-sized chunks. Chunks that are easily digestible that you can complete quickly. So if you're still wondering what it's like inside our members area, here's what some actual members have had to say. Rachel L. says, I just wanted to say thank you for your help with my business. Because of Google searches, I've received at least 5 new clients in the past 2 weeks, and I'm now at the point of being full with my client load and am considering hiring 1 to 2 employees. Thanks so much. one of the best decisions I've made for my marketing my business. Jessica V says, this course helped me a ton with creating multiple changes at a time. The instructor was extremely helpful at answering my questions along the way. I'm really glad I took this course. Vicky B, I recommend this class to anyone who wants to get started with Google Ads. Ken S, really good. I like this because it's short and on point. Every sentence is useful, not like other videos out there that make me want to sleep. Dave, Mike knows how to provide clear, actionable recommendations that we were able to put to use immediately. He skillfully keeps his training focused and productive. If you are not getting the results you expect, I'd recommend Mike. Jessica, amazing class for PPC beginners or small businesses. Charlene, highly recommended. They are fabulous and well worth the small investment to help take your business to the next level. Jesse M, Mike really knows his stuff and will give it to you straight. There's no need to worry about being sold, and it's worth the time to learn from him to help you grow your business. So if you would like to join us inside our Google Ads training area, we'd love to have you. Please go to ppcvideotraining.com. Or if you have any questions, by all means send us an email to support@ppcvideotraining.com. We'd love to hear what questions you might have, what you're struggling with, and how we can help you get your Google Ads to become everything you thought they could be for you and your business. Thanks so much for stopping by.